Cam here with the Michigan guys. It's October 6th, I believe, and I'm heading out here to hunt this chunk of woods surrounded by beans. Last night I was glassing and there was a beauty of a buck that stepped out right about at dark, and we're gonna go set up on where he came out at and hope for the best, so we'll see what happens. I'm all set up in the tree. I'm sitting right on the edge of the bean field in the woods. Got a pretty good setup tonight, perfect wind. It's a little breezy, maybe 5 to 10 miles an hour. And I'm hoping that this buck that I've been watching comes out in the same spot, works his way to the north, and before he hits my wind, I'll get a crack at him. I was able to clear a little shooting lane for me, so I got a couple shooting lanes that should work out in my advantage if he sticks to the script. So we'll see what happens. Should be a fun night. Say, dude. Sick about it. I had that buck at 35 yards and he was slightly quartered towards me. Shaking like a leaf. My hands are. He knew something was up. My wind is heading right towards him, and gosh, he had a slight turn away shot. I was like, perfect. I can tuck it right in the back there. I put him. He's at 36 yards. I thought I put it on that front shoulder. I pulled the trigger. I think I looked, but we'll see. I'm gonna give him a whole bunch of time to sit and expire. So let's hope for the best. Just got back to the vehicle. Didn't make the best shot on him. I was hoping a little bit further forward. He's quartering away hard, so it should be a lethal shot, but I'm going to give it some time to expire. It's a nice buck. Hell of a night. Had a good time, but just gonna give it some time. I think that's the best thing to do.
It's been about 6 hours since the shot. We think there's a fairly decent chance it's better than it looks. The deer was on a hard quarter, so we're gonna go take a look, see what we can come up with, and if it doesn't look good, we'll back out.
Hoping for a good liver shot.
That's the plan, right?
That's the plan. Make it very easy. This is where I was saying it. Lower eyes are gonna help. Well, we made a shot on a buck last night, right around 7 o'clock. We let him lay overnight. We went out last night, probably gave him 5.5 hours just to look for blood around where the shot was, and came up empty-handed. So somehow last night we checked the weather, didn't say it was going to rain. We got in here today and it rained a little bit last night, so morale is a little low. What we're going to do is a grid search and hopefully find him. So see what happens. Oh my gosh.
That took what? How long did that take? 5 minutes?
150 yards. We've been out here. We just started doing a grid search. We didn't even look for blood. I gotta get my hands on him now. Oh my goodness. You see him right there?
Nice job, man.
Alright.
Nice job. Alright. Died in his first head.
Ended up being a great shot. Ended up being a great shot, Kyle. Let's go. What a tank. He's down. Oh, look at the mass. Oh my. Look at that.
Dude, he's a tank.
Oh my. Oh gosh, I can't believe it, man. He came in right to the script. I watched him the night before. Popped out of the woods, make some scrapes right next to this yellow tree. So the next day I went out, set up in that yellow tree, and he came in right on the line. Stopped at about 32 yards, caught my wind, turned around, started heading the other direction, grunted, stopped him. He was quartering weight pretty hard, as you could tell by the shot. And I snuck it behind his ribs, probably got some liver there, and
Yep.
man.
Yeah, I mean, he all day went
150?
150 at the
maybe,
most?
tops.
Yeah, how stiff is he?
He's pretty solid.
He's been dead for a while.
Little while, yeah. Oh man.
What a beautiful deer.
Oh, thanks, Kyle. Oh man.